Hello everyone, today's story is The Scavenger Hunt. Author Ajit Narra, illustrator Arka Priya Kohli, publisher Pratham Books. A level 4 story. Lajo lives in a village on the banks of the river Kosi. She loves the rain, but this year the rains have been especially heavy. Pitter patter rainfall, very heavy rainfall this year. Lajo is happy when the rain finally stops. Then all of a sudden, the banks of the river break. In just a few minutes, the village is flooded with muddy water from the river. Lajo is scared. She is scared due to the flood that has come. "We have to leave at once," cries Babu. "Hurry, Lajo. We need to get to higher ground where we will be safer." Lajo and her family made through the water with great difficulty. With the help of some army men, they reach a hill where their neighbors have moved to. "Oh no, I left Gudiya behind," cries Lajo. She never goes anywhere without her doll. But Babu says that they can't go back until things are better. The next morning, Lajo asks if she can go find Gudiya. This time, Mai yells at her, "Lajo, our home is under 5 feet of water. We are running out of drinking water and all you care about is a doll." "Don't worry, Lajo. Gudiya will be fine," says Dadu. "Shall we play a game?" "A game?" says Lajo, brightening up. "Yes, it's a scavenger hunt. You have to find all the items on this list. As soon as you do, I will show you something amazing." So the name of the game is A Scavenger Hunt, and Lajo is all set to play the game. Lajo looks at Dadu's list. "I'll start searching right away," she says, jumping with excitement. So the list starts with number 1, 1 bucket. Number 2, 1 cotton cloth. Number 3, gravel. Number 4, sand. Number 5, 1 hammer. Number 6, 1 hole punch. So Lajo has gone through the list and is now out for searching the things. Lajo runs first to Mai. "What is it, Lajo?" asks Mai, sounding tired. "If you are thirsty, I don't have any drinking water." "No, Mai. Babu gave me a sip of water." "I need a cotton cloth. Do you have one?" Mai doesn't have a spare cloth, so she cuts a piece from her cotton sari. "Here, take this." Lajo gives Mai a big hug. Babu helps Lajo find a bucket. She fills it with sand. Yay! 3 things off my list. "Lajo, I'm thirsty. Do you have some water?" asks her friend Prateek. "Sorry, Prateek. We finished all our water." "That's okay," he says. "Are you looking for something?" "I'm looking for gravel," says Lajo. "There, you can use that." Only 2 more things for Lajo to find. So she finds another thing, that is gravel, and now only 2 things are left to be found. Then Lajo goes to find the village carpenter. Fixer Baba, may I borrow your hammer and hole punch?" "What is it for, Lajo?" "It's for a game I'm playing with Dadu," she says. "A game? Who has time for games when the whole village is thirsty?" Though He grumbles a little. He gives the tools to Lajo. And finally she gets the hammer and the hole punch. Lajo lays out all the items in front of Dadu. "Done," she says proudly. Dadu smiles and turns the bucket over. He makes a hole in it with the hammer and punch. Lajo watches eagerly as he places the cotton cloth at the bottom of the bucket. Then he pours fine sand over the cloth into the bucket. And can you guess what is he about to make? Any guesses, children? Let's find out. "Lajo, will you help me fill the bucket with gravel?" asks Dadu. Lajo helps Dadu pick out all the tiny stones and put them in the bucket. They then fill the bucket with large stones. Dadu takes a bottle filled with muddy river water and pours it into the bucket. "Why did you do that?" Lajo asks, puzzled. Dadu just smiles. Not long after, clear water starts dripping down from the hole in the bucket. Dadu collects it in a glass. And it's a filter, a water filter made by Dadu. Since they were running short of clear water to drink, Dadu had an idea. "Lajo, we made a filter that changes muddy water into clean water," says Dadu. "Go get this glass of water to your Mai and Babu." Mai and Babu are overjoyed. They boil the water and drink it. Soon Pratik, Fixer Baba, Mai and Babu surround the bucket. "Great work, Lajo." They cheer and they all became very happy to get clear drinking water. The next day, the army comes in boats laden with supplies for the flood survivors. Lajo's family is to lead, and in their boat is a special surprise for Lajo. Yes, can you see in the picture? It's her doll. She got it back. And she was very happy to see her doll back. Now it is time for some craft. Make your own water filter. So you need the following materials for it. Go and collect and hunt for it. A plastic bottle, 1 pair of scissors, 1 clean cotton cloth, sand, gravel, fine and coarse, both gravel. What to do? Use a pair of scissors to cut off the bottom of the bottle. Punch a small hole in the bottle cap with a pair of scissors. Stuff the bottom of the bottle with a cotton cloth. Pour fine sand into the bottle till the 1/4 mark. Fill the bottle with fine gravel till the half mark, followed by coarse gravel till the 3/4 mark. Pour water slowly from the top. You will find clean water dripping down from the bottom. Note: boil the water before drinking it in order to kill harmful germs.